Welcome to our lesson on adjectives. In this course, we will focus on the basics. Alright, so what are adjectives? An adjective is a part of speech that describes or modifies other words, making your writing and speaking much more specific and a whole lot more interesting. Simply put, adjectives add a further description to your nouns. They provide further information about an object's size, its shape, the age, color, origin, or even the material that is used to make it. Adjectives are quite extensive as there are a lot of them in the English language. It is often said that adjectives add color to your speaking and your writing. So, adjectives help your reader get a fuller picture of the things you are writing about, and even with your audience, whatever you are saying, they can easily visualize it. So you just sound better and your writing becomes vivid. Alright, what can you say about this table? How can we describe it? Well, I'm looking on and I'm saying, wow, this seems to be an old table. It seems very ancient. Alright, let us look at some adjectives that we can use to describe this table. Alright, it's a big table, and that's talking about its size, okay? It's a rectangular table. That's the shape of the table. It's an old table, age. It's a brown table, that's the color. It's a wooden table, material. It's a lovely table. Now that is your opinion, because some persons will look on and say, what an ugly table. Alright, it's a broken table. That's what you observe. The legs look a little crooked. It's a coffee table. That's the purpose. Alright, adjectives are used to identify or to quantify individual people and unique things. And where can you find them? You normally find adjectives positioned before nouns or pronouns that they modify. See that? Not in all cases. Alright, please note that. Don't say that this instructor told you that adjectives are always found. No, they're normally found in some cases. For example, they live in a beautiful house. Can you see right here? Beautiful is our adjective and it is placed before our noun, which is house. Remember that I said not in all cases? Well, look at this example here. Jack was old. The noun is at the beginning. Oh my God. And the adjective is here at the end. Alright, examples of adjectives describing taste. Oh, that looks so good. That looks so yummy. It is bitter, maybe sweet, maybe spicy or bland or delicious or salty. So here are our adjectives. Bitter, yummy, spicy, bland, minty, sweet, delicious, salty. And these are all examples of adjectives describing taste. Alright, examples of adjectives describing touch. Now this will need some form of senses, using your hands or your feet or your skin overall. Alright, here's a sharp object. This is a sharp knife. The cat is fluffy. And if we could give him a name, let's call him Ginger. Ginger is fluffy. rough. So, fluffy, sharp, silky, rough, fuzzy, greasy. Alright, and we're hopping right over to one of my favorites. Examples of adjectives describing sound: loud, soft, silent, deafening, hissing, high-pitched. Homegirl is about to sing, right? It's a possibility that she is loud. Maybe she's singing using a soft tone. Maybe she's deafening, or she's high-pitched. Examples of adjectives describing color: red, green, indigo, rosy, multicolored, or some persons would describe this as multicolored. Pronounce rather, multicolored. Here's a spectrum. Alright, adjectives describing size. You probably guessed it. Big, enormous, tiny, chubby, petite, big boned. And of course, there's an elephant, but some of these words would not be fitting to describe him, right? Alright, so I just went on the internet and I found this worksheet. So kudos to whoever made it, okay? So we're gonna practice together. It says circle the adjectives in each sentence below. Underline the nouns it describes. Alright, so I'm going to give you a chance to just take a look at it, read through, and see how best you can get these answers. Alright, let me go ahead and read through with you. The kitten drinks warm milk from her bowl. If you're saying warm, you're correct. And warm is describing the noun milk. I ate a juicy apple for lunch. Juicy is our adjective describing an apple. The chirping birds woke us up. Chirping is our adjective describing birds. We had a picnic in the green grass. Green is describing grass. My friend has curly hair. Curly is our adjective. Hair is our noun, yes. Bears sleep in warm dens. Warm dens. Tigers have dark stripes on their bodies. Dark stripes. Dark is our adjective. Stripes would be our. Alright, the car had 4 flat tires. Flat tires. I tasted the sweet ice cream. Sweet, adjective. Ice cream, noun. We sat in the cool shade of the trees. Cool shade. Alright, I hope that you have learned something in this lesson. And thank you so much for tuning in.